Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have been out of here for years now. The kids are big. They're gonna be 6 and the other one is gonna be 9, and I decided to make a review about this tiny thing. She's into robots and she was asking for her gift to be Luna the pet robot, like a little dog. I don't know if you guys have seen it, or this one. Ta-da-da! So this is Aibi. Okay, so I ordered it from Amazon. It arrived very fast. I have seen videos online, but I never thought this thing was gonna be so tiny. So maybe when you see the videos you think, I don't know, it looks bigger, but in person this tiny box is let's see, here's my phone case. This is how tiny it is. It's so cute. Okay, it comes with 3 things. This is like a little light I haven't tested because I wanted her to unbox it, but it looks like it's a little light and you are able to charge it. Not sure how. There's that. And you'll be able to tell Aibi to just turn it on or off. It looks very cute. Let's see, the other one is a blanket for her to wear. So you can just cover her with this. Very cute. And then the other one is, it could be random. It comes with either a cat or a rabbit option. So some people will get the cat, some people will get the rabbit. There's no way to choose, it's just random. So she got the rabbit ears here. And then let me show you this tiny thing. It's so cute. Hold on. Ta-ta-ta-ta. There you go. Okay, it comes with instructions of how it works. You need to download an app to be able to make it work. Actually, I'm not sure how am I gonna do the review because I think I need to use my phone to turn her on. But here are some of the instructions. It tells you like a few commands. How does the light work? It does different things, and I think what I like the most is that you can play rock, paper, scissors, and that's a game we play with my kids a lot. While we go to Disney and things like that, we like to play rock, paper, scissors just to kill some time. There's some stickers, other stickers, and that's all in here. And there's the little tiny robot. All right, here she is. It's so cute. Okay, let me see if I can turn her on while I do the video.
Hello, friends. Nice to meet you all. Hope you're having a fantastic day.
Okay, so she comes with this charger. That's where you put her to charge. It has a USB-C. It comes with a cable and a necklace where you can carry her and take her places. I believe you have seen videos before or commercials about her if you're watching this unboxing. There's the cable, the necklace, and then this is the carry case. So it goes like this. She is magnetic, I believe, by herself, or I don't know if it's this case, but let's go take a look around the house to see where we can put her. There's little Abby. We were playing rock, paper, scissors. Hey Abby, you can touch her here. And she have different animations, and you can also ask her the weather as she's ChatGPT. So you can say, hey Abby, what's the weather outside?
The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.
You can play rock, paper, scissors with her as well. Hey Abby, rock, paper, scissors. She have face recognition with a little camera, but she won't be able to tell you what's in front of you. So Abby, can you tell me what's in front of you?
I don't have a physical body or senses, so I can't see what's in front of me, but I can imagine it's something fun or interesting like your charm. Want me to describe something or play a game?
So even though she's very cute, I believe we're gonna go with Luna the robot, as she's able to see what's in front of her, and she's gonna be able to play a little bit more with my daughter that's gonna be turning 6. But I still wanted to do a review, show you how tiny this little super cute robot, and if you have the extra cash to buy it just for the look and put it next to your computer or your desk or your nightstand, I think it's such a lovely cutie thing to have. Let me just show you here. She has her dollhouse. I think that's why she wanted, because she saw a video of someone putting it like on a dollhouse, and that's how she got the idea of getting a tiny robot for her birthday. This is Abby. Abby, can you say bye?
Bye. Catch you later. Hope to chat with you soon. Thanks for watching. Come back anytime.
So if you guys have any questions about this tiny robot, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this short tiny unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.